Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Shokz earphones with your laptop. So first of all, you have to find these buttons, click and hold it, and now when you hold it, you have to take a look for this indicator. When it starts blinking blue and the red, you have to release that button, open the system settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth device. Select your OpenRun Pro by Shokz. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.